Good morning, everyone. We're at Thorpe today. This is day 2 of our UK trip, and today we can see Hyperia. And people are saying it might start testing today. We're not sure, but fingers crossed.
It's too windy.
It's way too windy, yeah. That's why it might not be testing, and we're hoping it will not have too much interference on the rides today. But we're excited. This is Antonio's first time. My second. Let's go ride some coasters. That was a rollback for the literal first ride of the day. Well, not for us, but for the first people who got on stealth. Oh, that was so funny.
That went well.
They just closed stealth, so...
At least we saw a rollback though, that was really cool.
That's nice, yeah. Although, after Tutatis, it doesn't feel that special to me. But anyway.
Especially when it makes the whole ride break. So.
Yeah, essentially, yeah. So we're going towards Saw to secure it at a low queue because it's a piece of shit. I wouldn't say it's growing on me, but at the very least I got a better appreciation of it than the first time. The first time I really hated it. And now I know that I have to not brace myself, because if you keep your head against the headrest during that first inversion right there, it's a bit painful. But if you probably don't stay against the seat, don't keep your head against the headrest and keep it forwards at all times during that inversion, I think it could be all right. I don't know if we're gonna get another shot at it later on. No? Maybe. Because I think I know how to ride it now, and that way I would be able to appreciate it more.
Honestly, the best way to experience it is just watch it off ride and then not go.
Yeah. It's fair. Yeah, me too.
To be fair, I was sat on, if you can call it a wing seat, like the outer seat.
Not really, no.
I think it's just the train flexes more, like this. It flexes more like that. And it just
Can you do the flex again?
Back in Angry Birds land.
Yeah. I mean, no. So yeah, I think now we're gonna do Colossus. This is new for me because last time it was missing a piece of track. So yeah, I'm excited. New coaster. Apparently the seats are really small, so I will have to brace myself. But nevertheless, I'm excited to try in a coaster, as always. So, Colossus, you like it?
It's brilliant. It's absolutely fantastic. One of Intimate's finest.
It's boring. Okay, so let me explain my problem with it. It's not that it's it's not that it's bad. Like, well, okay, that here, right there, those elements are lazy. Let's just say that.
What, the barrel roll?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. The highlight's the Cobra roll. The Cobra was fantastic.
It was a loop for me. Maybe even the air, somewhat airtime. Yeah, but imagine being a bigger guy and being stapled, like literally having almost no room to close the seatbelt, and just being able to have it by a tiny bit and putting it, well, closing it. So essentially, I would say that was why it didn't do anything for me. I was so stapled into the seat that I didn't feel anything, and so it was boring for me. I'm sorry, it is a good ride, but it's boring for me. I'm sorry.
See the size? No.
Well, the Walking Dead ride is a fun one. Nothing excessive, you know, it's just a fun one. It's a family coaster after all. Just a horror one. And yeah, I don't know, I like it. Now we're gonna go do Inferno. Not Nemesis Inferno, Inferno. Let's call it Inferno. Nemesis Inferno is perfect, it's amazing, I love it. It does everything well for me, so I really like it. Right now we're gonna go eat and then we'll see what we do. We're all waiting here in front of Hyperia because something has got to be happening. I think testing is gonna start soon and we're gonna be there for it. It was so lucky, we lucked out so much. We booked this trip like 2 or 3 months ago now, so yeah, we're excited. Oh!
It's going over!
Let's go! Oh! And there you go, that was Hyperia. Hyperia! Testing for the first time. That was magical. And as I said, we planned this day 3 months ago, so that was absolutely insane to catch that on the day. That was... I'm really happy right now. I cannot wait to ride this thing a few months later, and yeah, now that we've waited for what, an hour and 30 minutes, something like that maybe, we're gonna ride again some new things like stealth. Is it stealth now? Stealth now. So we just did stealth, front row, all of us, and we got conquered by it.
Stealth goes zoom.
Oh yeah, stealth goes zoom. And the air time on top of the top hat when you're on in the front, it's amazing. It's so good. It's gonna go up my rankings so much. But now we're gonna go for Swarm, which is arguably the best right here. Just did Swarm at the back. Corvus and Antonio have waited for the front, so they're trained behind me. And wow, you come so low to the ground on the right side. I love it so much. It's a really nice ride. I really enjoy it. And yeah, that's about it for our day. So, well, Thank you guys for joining me for this day at Thorpe Park and the first day of testing of Hyperia. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for Alton Towers, okay? See you guys later.